Oh. Hi there and welcome back. I have just dropped a load of stuff all over the floor, super duper. I'm just here to do a quick flip through of one of my newer kits. It's called Woodland Fairies. So there's quite a few freebies. The first few are freebies on the Patreon site. So we've got these little gnomes and some lined. So obviously fold it in half like so. Printed it on white paper. I've not printed the other side because I've only just printed it off, and I've not obviously cut the borders off. So then there's this one with the fairies on and the lined. This one with the fairy going through the middle. So when you fold it up, got half and half. And obviously you can, you know, tear around, or if you wanted to use it as an image, do it two to a page and get a couple of smaller ones. It's just beautiful. And this one. So half image, half lined. And this one. So I did lots of freebies for this one. I really enjoyed doing it. Now these 5 are what come if you buy the kit off Patreon. You get a 40-page kit instead of a 35-page kit. So on Etsy it's 35 pages and on Patreon it's 40 pages, and it's a little bit cheaper on Patreon. Can't do it any cheaper on Patreon. The least they will do in the shop is what I put it at. So these are 4 journal cards or 2 folding pieces, and obviously you can print them smaller. Same again, obviously just different images. Then we've a page of well, they're supposed to be postage stamps, but I mean you can obviously use them as anything, and you could just cut round here. You don't even have to cut round the postage bit. I would do those with my zigzag scissors, and obviously you know, have it as a zigzag instead of the circlate. I can't imagine cutting those out. Okay. This piece, which I don't know, I just thought you've got 2 postcards and you've got this long piece, or you could cut it in half and have it as kind of, I don't know, an opening pocket or something. I just thought it would be interesting to play with. So that's that one. And then we've got a file folder, and that can be a page inside the folio, or it can be, you know, a little notebook cover or a little journal card, whatever. So they're the 5 what come on buying it from Patreon, and this is you know, the main kit. It's 35 pages, so we'll do the journal pages first. I've popped all these little birds in, and it was a lot of fun creating this, which is obviously why I ended up with loads, because I was having too much fun. So Alison is actually going to do this kit for me, because I'm not going to have time to do it. Hopefully, I don't know, later on in the year or next year, I'll definitely do it, because it is a kit that I really want to do. Alison is, oh my goodness, I forgot Alison's Crafty Alison. Crafty Ali Creates, that's it, Crafty Ali Creates. So she's going to be doing this kit. Okay, so lots of journal pages, So I'm quite excited to watch Alison, because I did think that this one was right up her street. So I'm excited to see what she does with that. Okay, and a lined one. So they're the actual journal pages. Obviously these are journal pages too, aren't they? Yeah, of course they are. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Ooh. Or, you know, you can cut these bits out. Yeah, it's going to be good for, you know, somebody who wants to make a really big journal, especially if you've got all the freebies to go with it as well. There's about, oh, I don't know, 45, 46, 47 pages or something. So these are the background pages. So to make your ephemera, or again, you know, you can use them as sheets. A nice wooden one. It's lovely trees. A couple walking right down there. Another landscape picture. William Morris. And another. Okay, then we've got some florally leafy backgrounds. Love the colours. A plain one, which is all crunched up and distressed. We've got the plain lined one. Then we've got some journal cards. You can either use them singly, or, you know, fold them, excuse me, in half. You can use them as little notebooks. And again, I did those ones that you could cut them down there, and they'd be, it's just, obviously I've not cut the white off, and then, you know, that's not there, and you could flip it up. What would that be called? A portrait one. I don't know. Some fussy cut fairies. A page of mushrooms. Love those. Some little tags. And they're like, you know, labels. You could put brads in them. Okay. A folio. Or you could sew that into your journal. Some little slot pockets and little tags. That is the back to that, or you can use it, you know, as a card. You don't have to use it as the back. And then we've these little envelopes and notebook you know, notepad pieces, and you can use that on your envelope if you wanted. And another one. So that is the full kit. Did I say it was called Woodland Fairies? I think I did. It's already in Etsy. It's been in a couple of weeks, and it's in Patreon too. It's been in there about a month or so. So thank you very much. I'm going to ask Alison to put the link to her videos in the Facebook group, so if you're interested in seeing this kit being used, then you'll be able to find it from the Facebook group. All my links are down below. Thank you very much, and see you very soon. Bye for now.